Hi everyone, this is Susan from Durmapress. In my behind the machine is shearing machine Guillotine height. It can cut 10 millimeters and 3.2 meters. Let me show you the structure. First, this is EQ1S NC controller from Eastern brand, and just a simple controller. It can control the cutting angles and cutting gaps. Next, this is work table. Equipped the bolts and the rows. Easy and smooth the movement of the material. They help in positioning the material accurately under the blade, reducing manual effort and improving cutting precision. This is photoelectrical protection device to protect the worker in action. You can look, this is an automatic blade clearance adjustment. When you use the slide brand, you can scan the QR to check if it's original. And then this is the package of the shearing machine, and you can see the accuracy and the precision, the structure. Hello, this is a simple introduction of shearing machine. If you want to learn more about machine, you can contact us. See you next time.